In this tutorial, I'll show you DC motor speed control using buck converter and PID controller. Okay, or you can say it voltage control buck converter. For that, we need a buck converter, and you will find buck converter block under electrical specialist power system under obviously Simscape, and a buck converter is present under power electronics. Okay, and here this is our buck converter, and the input of the buck converter is a DC source. Okay, for that we need a DC source. Here is DC voltage source, and we need a RLC branch and a DC motor. Okay, DC motor is present under electrical machine, and you will find here our DC machine. Okay, and this is a power V block. Here a DC machine, I'm taking a preset model like the first one. Okay, field is 300 volt. Okay, and I'm connecting here. The input of the buck converter I'm taking as 300 volt, and we have to rotate this DC machine block because the positive terminal will be connected to the output of the buck converter. Okay, and I'm taking inductance value as a filter like 10e-3. It will be connected to positive terminal of the armature. Okay, and here we have to connect the ground, and we need constant block. Okay, here this is a constant block, and here BL is used for blocking the firing pulses. I'm setting default value as 0. Okay, and this voltage source will be connected here in the field. Okay, and the negative terminal of the armature will be grounded. Okay, and another constant block will be connected to the torque terminal. Okay, and here for measuring output of speed, we need a bus selector block. Double click on canvas and type bus selector. You will see bus selector block here. We have to rotate it, connect it, double click on this, and you will see sorry, you have to connect it first, then double click on this, and we have to delete the selected signal, and only we need the speed. Okay, click OK, and OK, and we need scope to see the speed. Okay, here the output speed is rad per second. Okay, so we need to convert it as RPM. For that we need a gain block, and gain will be 60 divided by noise pi. Click OK, rotate it. Okay, and we need another scope to see the RPM here. Okay, here we need a PID controller block. This is this was a objective here, so type PID, and you will see PID controller, and we need add block to compare, and sign will be plus minus. Okay, here I'm taking the constant block here, sorry, and constant speed like 1400. I want the speed, constant speed of this motor, and we have to connect the negative terminal of our speed, and you have to connect the PID, and I'm setting PID values like proportional constant 0.9, integral 0.8, and derivative is 0.01. Okay, and we need another block which is present under power electronics control, PWM generator DC. Okay, and click on PID, and yeah, so this is our whole circuit, and I'm taking initial torque as 2. Now run this model. Okay, here you can see our constant speed is 1400. Okay, now I want to change the torque. Okay, for that I am setting stop time as INF and run this. Okay, you can see here. Now when I change the torque, you have to observe in left side, the torque is increased about 40. Okay, now click 40, you can see the speed was decreases a value. Okay, and again it's going to constant speed. Okay, and similarly if you set as 50, and again you can see the speed was decreased, but again it's containing or desired 1400 speed. Okay, so this is the way you can control your DC motor speed using buck converter. If this found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching.